How to verify your OKX account. Hello everybody, welcome back. If you guys are wondering how you can follow up the steps, so go ahead and open up your OKX wallet. After that, from this interface at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding a cube with dots. Go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, your profile and shortcuts and different options appears on your screen. Now from here, go ahead and tap on your email account that you used in order to create an account. After tapping on it, you will be taken to this. So under profile, right under profile, on the very first option, you should be finding option called identity verification. Go ahead and tap on it. And from here, your verification process starts. So go ahead and tap on verify now. After that, confirm where you live. So go ahead and confirm where you live. For that, you can select up your country or region. From where you belong, there are different options available. You can go and select up your country. After that, the next step is you need to take an ID and selfie verification and your personal information. So go ahead and tap on next. After doing so, you need to select an ID type. If you have a driver's license, you can do that. Otherwise, passport and national ID is also something you can do, and tap on next. After that, you need to go ahead and enable camera permission and go ahead and take a picture of your government ID. Once that is done, you need to verify by clicking a picture of your own as well by taking a selfie, and then enter up your personal information, provide them. And once that is done, in 5 minutes or 10 minutes, your whole account will be verified in OKX. So that's how you basically verify account on OKX wallet very easily. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.